Hello guys, I'm Ryan. I traveled last January in Morocco for 5 days and I took some videos using only my smartphone. I had so much time during the lockdown, so I decided to make my first travel video. The first destination was Marrakech. I stayed there for 2 days, then left the city for a 3-day desert tour to the Sahara Desert near Merzouga. It was fantastic. The desert was the highlight, so watch it until the end. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
The evening of my first day in Marrakech, I met my Italian friends to eat dinner together in a restaurant with live performances. The day after, I had to wake up at 6 in the morning and take the bus tour to the desert. We drove through the mountains and visit local towns and historical places before the Sahara.
show me how long is your
its sons. Abdul was the big chief of the village. And this Kasbah was commanded by 4 big families. They're making the decisions of the Kasbah. And you can see.
We are now at the top of the city Ait Ben Haddou. This is famous for many movies made by Hollywood, like Lawrence of Arabia, Game of Thrones, Prison Break, and many, many more. We're going up now. This guy paints using caramel sugar and melt it on the paper. I love the smell of caramel. Don't know where we are, but it's great. Made it almost time for the sunset.